Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Today I do have a quick cute video for you guys. I do have a video showing you some graphic tees that I picked up. A lot of these graphic tees, matter of fact all of these graphic tees are very affordable, so you can hop right online and purchase them yourself. I did pick these t-shirts up from Forman Mills, Fashion Nova, and Five and Below. So I'm not going to keep this intro long. If you want to see the graphic tees I picked up, just keep watching. Okay, I have all the t-shirts here on my lap, so I'm going to show you what I got. I'm not going to be trying any of these on. Just to start out, I did get this shirt here from Fashion Nova. I do consider this a graphic t-shirt. It's just fitted. I got this in a size large. I am double D breasted, so that's why I decided to get a small. I'm happy with the purchase. Fits good, looks good, and yeah, I would, like I said in the intro, I'll link everything down below if there is a link. So the first shirt I picked up is from Fashion Nova, and I did get this in a size medium. One thing I noticed about Fashion Nova full t-shirts is that they are oversized, even if it doesn't say oversized. This is a medium. It's huge, so I will be like wearing this tied up on the side, you know, with some biker shorts or something. But it do say F cancer. If you guys don't know, I lost my beautiful mother to breast cancer, so yeah, it's F cancer. So I got this really cute, really good material, and it is like a stone wash, acid wash, that's what it's called, black material. Really, really cute. So I did pick that up. And then I got, I'm gonna try to do all the Fashion Nova stuff together and link it that way so that you can find this stuff. And then next, from Fashion Nova, I did pick up another graphic tee that is black and white. I'm sorry, black, white, and orange. And this t-shirt is really, really cute. I'm sorry if you can hear that noise in the background. I'm just gonna keep pushing. And it does say Shopaholic. I did get this in a size large. This was like one of the first graphic tees that I purchased from Fashion Nova. So I really didn't know how the sizing was. This is also huge, so the only thing I really can do with this is wear it with some tights or some biker shorts so that it doesn't look crazy. I don't know if I showed you the back, but the back is plain, and again, really, really, really good quality. I could have got like a small, extra small in those two shirts that I just showed you. So the next thing I got from Fashion Nova is also a t-shirt. Like I said, I am obsessed with Betty Boop. If you are here on my channel for a while, you'll see that I love Rainbow Brite, I love Strawberry Shortcake, I love Care Bears, My Little Pony, and Betty Boop is my girl as well. So I did pick this up. So cute. Again, this was one of my first purchases as far as the t-shirt is concerned. So I did get this in a large. It is huge. So again, the only thing I can do is wear this as, I might wear to get away with this as like a dress type. I got to see what it looked like. But yeah, biker shorts and of course tights. The crazy thing is I found this same type of Betty Boop logo sweatshirt, and I only paid $10 for it on sale. I was so happy. I'll show you that in another video if I get around to it. I did already wear it, so I don't know if I'll include it in a video. So next, moving right in, these are some shirts that I got from Five and Below, and I did want these pieces to be oversized. I got them in a size large because again, I like really big fitted clothes to be comfortable. Not every day do I want to wear like tight stuff. Like what I have on right now, I am going to like a little bar, so I don't mind having like a tight t-shirt on and jeans, looking all cute and snatched. But on a regular, like if I'm out with my kids and I'm doing things and I'm just, you know, being me, I like my clothes to be loose fitting. So I do have this Looney Tunes. I know I'm so childish. I like all characters that are like from my era, and these are the cartoons that I grew up watching. So I got that in a size large. And then next, I did pick this up from Five and Below. This is it says Black Widow, and this is just really cute. I love the detailing in it. It's just like a comic book. I did get this also in a size large. I was gonna get it in a medium, but I don't know how these wash, so I'm happy that I picked them up in a large. So lastly is my store, Forman Mills. This next t-shirt is from Former Mills, and I did get it on clearance for $5. I did get this in a medium, really cute. This also could be oversized or tied on the side or whatever. I didn't have any t-shirts, and the ones that I did have, I felt like they were dingy because I had them for like ever. So I donated those and went and grabbed me some other ones. Here I got another t-shirt. This one also is $5 and it's so cute. It is again Bugs Bunny, Tasmanian Devil, and Donald Duck. These are my characters. Oh, and look, I didn't even peep. On the back is Tweety Bird, and what's the cat name? Oh, I can't remember the cat name. But yeah, I got that. And I did pick this up also in a size large. I think large was the only size that they had left for that one, so that's why I got it. Also from Former Mills, I did pick up a graphic t-shirt that I paid $5 for. I be so happy when I see black Barbie dolls and you know, different characters on a shirt, so it was no way I was leaving her there. I actually picked up 2 of these, one for me and one for my daughter, so we can be twinning. And yeah, this is a super cute. And then almost finished, I did pick up a shirt. I got this for $3. This is a breast cancer t-shirt. It just says faith, hope, and love. Again, I like this to wear with jeans or just, you know, if I want to lounge around. Breast cancer t-shirts can be very expensive, so this is not like a shirt that I'd be like, oh, I like that breast cancer shirt. But the fact that it was $3 and it's breast cancer, and I always like to wear pink to remember my mom, so it was a no-brainer to pick that up. Next, I did get another breast cancer shirt that I also paid $3 for. It's gray and it says Think Pink. By the way, make sure you are checking your breasts when you are in the shower. If you're not of that age where you're getting mammograms yearly, do yourself a favor, Google. I don't want to sit here and tell you step by step how to do it because I may mishap and forget something out, but Google how to self-check your breast to see if you are experiencing any, you know, abnormal signs as far as lumps, pain, or anything. Consult your doctor, because no one should be dying from breast cancer or any cancer for that matter. So I did pick this up, super cute, and this one is like a really soft material. I did have some other graphic t-shirts, but I wore them already, and I'm not about to go in my drawer and pull out like, oh, I had this doesn't make sense. Hope that you guys enjoy when I do videos like this. It helps me out. I'm able to put out videos and you're able to look at something home chilling. Some of y'all probably doing your nails right now watching this video. Some of y'all doing dishes. Some of y'all in class supposed to be paying attention but watching this video. Whatever it may be, I appreciate you. Don't forget to like, comment down below if you like when I do little laid back videos like this. But let's address the elephant in the room. I do have on nails, and I have been flourishing in acrylic press-ons. I have not sold any, but for myself, I have been doing my acrylic press-ons. What I have to work on is not having them look as like bulky, but these are acrylic and they are press-ons, and they do look like the nails that I got done at the nail salon, if y'all remember. But yeah, super cute. Just in case you're wondering, this color here is from iMethod Beauty. I will link it down below. I did do a review on all their polishes. Amazing. I got them from, they're sold on Amazon. So yeah, I'm gonna stop rambling. Like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.